evaluate the integral of secant cube x dx. So we can use integration by parts. Using integration by parts, or IBP for short, the formula for IBP is integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. But we'll write the integral first as integral of secant squared x times secant x dx. So we let u equal to secant x, and then we let dv equal to secant squared x dx. So get the derivative of u du, derivative of secant x tan x dx. Then integrate dv, integral of dv is v, integral of secant squared x tan x. So applying integration by parts formula, the integral of secant cube x dx is equal to uv. U is secant x, v is tan x, then minus the integral of v du. So v is tan x times the du, secant x tan x dx. So we'll have secant x tan x minus the integral of tan x times tan x, it's tan squared x times secant x dx. So secant x tan x minus, so we apply Pythagorean identity for tan squared x. So it's equal to secant squared x minus 1 times secant x dx. So secant x tan x minus, so we distribute the secant x, we multiply. We have integral of secant squared x times secant x, secant cube x, minus 1 times secant x, secant x. Then let's distribute the integral symbol. We'll have secant x tan x, then negative integral of secant cube x dx, the negative of negative, positive integral of secant x dx. So the left side is integral of secant cube x dx, right? So we can combine these two integral of secant cube x dx, since they are similar terms. I can transpose this negative integral of secant cube x dx to the left side. So we'll have integral of secant cube x dx plus integral of secant cube x dx. Then equal to secant x tan x plus, so we can now evaluate the integral of secant x. It's standard integral formula already, right? So it's equal to ln of secant x plus tan x. Then we combine 1 integral of secant cube x dx plus 1 integral of secant cube x dx. We have 1 plus 1, 2, integral of secant cube x dx. And then equal to secant x tan x plus ln secant x plus tan x. So we eliminate this coefficient of 2. We can multiply both sides by 1/2. So we cancel out the 2. Therefore, the integral of secant cube x dx is equal to 1/2 secant x tan x plus 1/2 ln of secant x plus tan x. Then don't forget to put plus c for the constant of integration. So this is the final answer.